Hello everyone and welcome to my channel AA STEAM series. Another reminder, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed my experiments, click the thumbs up. Today you're going to see some crazy things and I'm going to reflect light. Can't wait to start today's experiment. You need to wait until the end of the video to understand the science behind it. What you need for today's experiment: a piece of paper with print on it, a glass of water, and a pencil. And it should be a new one, it's always better. Step number 1. Get a sheet of paper, let's print or draw the arrows. One near the top and one near the bottom. Make the arrows point in the same direction. So mine are pointing to the left, you can make it point right, it doesn't matter. Then fill a glass with water. So bring it here. Fill with water. Then you can slowly lower the paper behind the glass full of water. Whoa! What's happening? So now I'll show you 3 different ways to make this happen. And it's gonna be really cool. So the second one is a bolt of lightning. Ow! Okay, so let's see. This point is facing toward the left. So when you take this piece of paper behind the glass, whoa! What happened? It changed. Now it's pointing right. So it's pointing to the left, right there. Now to the right. Cool. Now I have one more for you. Wah, wah, wah. The bride is running away from the groom. Now she's facing away. But let's see what happens when you put it underneath. Ah, she's coming back. She's coming back. Run, 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 run. Yay! Now, it's amazing! So, now last but not least, time for the pencil. Let's see. You put the pencil in straight. Look what happened. The pencil that's submerged in the water looks fatter and thicker than the normal pencil. But now let's see when you tilt it to the side. Whoa, look what happened. It looks like the pencil broke in half. Look at it, it broke in half. And again, it's bigger than the normal pencil. That's cool. What's happening is the refraction of light. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one transparent substance to another. So here's the first transparent substance. It's all around you. You guessed it. Air. Second one is water. The bending of light makes the image between the glass look like it's been reversed. And when you dip a pencil into the water, refraction happens too. This trick is a perfect rainy day activity for all ages, for even adults too. The fun is endless, so grab a glass of water and start making magic. Let me know if you tried this at home and also use different images. That'd be really fun to watch. Thank you for seeing my video and encouraging to make more. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.